How do you really feel about Americans? Is there anything that scares you about Americans? Do you see yourself marrying an American man and starting a family? Yes or no?
They showing private part.
Oh, they're showing their private parts. Oh, that's very sad. Oh my goodness. And what was your reaction? I'm just curious. What was your reaction?
I would say
What?
shock.
Like how shocked? How do you really feel about Americans?
They are attractive.
You feel like they're very attractive or attractive?
Attractive.
Okay, attractive, not very attractive. Attractive. Okay, so that's like physically, right?
Yes.
How about their attitude or their mindset, anything?
Um, feel like they're kind.
Mhm.
Um, kind and
They're kind.
yes.
Okay, they're kind and attractive. How about you, Be? How do you really feel about Americans? What? Do you feel anything? Ano bang naramdaman mo pag nahiling ka ng panangkalingan ng Americans?
Nothing.
Oh, so you don't feel anything?
Yes.
So just like normal.
Normal.
Why? Why do you think it's just normal? Like, okay. Paring Bicol. Bakit? Sige, mahilig ka na sa camera, be. Yeah. So nothing. You don't feel anything, right? Yes or no? You don't feel anything, right?
No.
She's very shy, guys. Very shy. Okay, so she doesn't feel anything, but hers, she finds them attractive and kind. What is the difference between American man and Filipino man?
I think colors and physical appearance.
Physical appearance. And you, what's the difference between the two?
Friendly.
Who's friendly?
American.
So Filipino men are not friendly?
Parang normal.
They're just normal. I think the what do you call this? I think they're more like friendlier. It's because most of them are, let's say they're here to for vacation, like tourists, right? And Filipino men, they're like used to, us Filipinos, the same, right? So do you think that's the reason why they're more friendlier, or they're just friendlier for you? Friendly lang talaga sila.
Yeah.
So they're friendly, really. Okay. Okay. So Filipino men, they're normal, right? Okay. While Americans, they're friendlier. Okay. Is there anything that scares you about Americans?
I didn't scared.
Are you not scared of
Not.
anything?
No.
Why? You're tough, right?
Yes.
I think they should be scared of you.
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so you're not there's really nothing to be scared about them.
There is nothing.
Well, she said that Americans are kind, so that explains why. And how about you?
Sending notes.
Sending nudes, photos?
Yes.
So you're scared of
Social sa social media.
oh, they're sending you nude photos on social media? And
Yes.
what was your reaction? She said, "Uy! Uy!" That was your reaction. Uy! Like that? Oh my goodness. You're really scared, right?
Yes.
Oh. Okay. Do you block them?
Yes.
How many Americans you blocked already?
Ano, maybe not.
Just one. Oh. Do you think all Americans are perverts? No. Okay. There are just some, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Okay. Don't worry, there's still good Americans out there that are not perverts. Okay. Are you both singles or in a relationship?
Single. Single too.
She's very proud. Single.
Yes.
Okay, how long have you been single?
1 year?
1 year. And you?
It's been a year na din.
A year as well. Okay. So here's the last question for both of you. Do you see yourself marrying an American man and starting a family? Yes or no?
Um, maybe.
Maybe.
Yes.
I'll take that as a yes. And you?
Oh.
Oh, so you like what?
Same.
Same what?
Philippines.
Oh, you also like why? You said that Filipino they're not friendly. Bakit? Bakit Filipino? Why Filipino?
May,
What's the, is it because of the language?
baka,
No. Okay, because she's very shy to speak English. So I was guessing that maybe that's the reason why. Okay, but you, yes, right? Maybe. Okay. Do you see yourself living abroad? Yes or no? Like, say, living in America.
it depend
Depends to what?
if I, ano ba? If I marry,
Americans, yes. Okay, so you see yourself living there.
yes.
I see. That's very nice. You are both college students, right?
Yes.
What course are you taking?
Ano?
Ano bang course mo?
Tigil yan, nalinggaw.
She forgot. She forgot her course. Okay.
HM po.
What? HM?
Ah,
HM stands for? You,
ayan.
what was HM? What's HM?
Sa ano?
She
Ayan.
really forgot. She really forgot. Oh my god. That's the first thing that. Oh my goodness. How about you, Be?
Um, physical education.
Ah, physical education. So you're gonna be a teacher. Okay. Secondary. Okay. PE. So you're gonna be playing with your students. Volleyball, basketball, badminton sports. Yes. Even dancing, right? Yeah, I remember. Oh my god. I hate balls. I don't know how to play volleyball. Yeah, when I was in high school and in college, I don't like it. The only thing that I like when it's PE is swimming. Because I love to swim. I grew up in an island. Yes. What's your favorite sports?
Volleyball.
Volleyball. Okay, and you?
Badminton.
Do you remember now what's your course?
Yeah, tourism.
Tourism. I see. Oh my goodness, tourism. You said HM. Is HM tourism?
Same lang.
Same. Okay, so tourism. Good thing you remember. Do you remember your name? Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. How do you really feel about Americans?
American men.
Mhm.
When I see an American man, I feel like they are kind, they are cool and clean like that.
Clean. Why did you say clean?
Because when I see the in the physical, um their looks, um and like white American, they're um most most
Is it because of the skin color? Because
yeah,
they're white. That's
the
why you
white
think
color.
that they're clean,
Very
right?
clean. Yeah.
So because of how about if like us, we're brown skin. Do you still think that we're clean?
Yes. Also.
Yes.
Also.
Also.
Also clean.
Okay.
Um but that is most important, even not in physical but in their heart, is is um like what I said, that kind person is representing of a clean
Oh,
man.
okay. Okay. So for you, American men, they are clean
Yeah.
and
And
kind and cool. Yes. Okay. Okay. How about you, Beck? Come here. How do you really feel about Americans?
Can say they are little similar with Filipino is American is they look so cool because of their height and nose. Very they very attractive and also with their skin ay parang smooth the healthy skin, 'di ba? Because of their weather.
Because of their weather. Okay. Healthy skin. Healthy skin. White meaning healthy skin for you, right?
Yes.
Okay. So cool because they have pointy nose and they're tall. I think those are one of the common reasons or common, like Filipinas like about foreign men, especially Americans, because of their height and their nose. A lot of them. I've even heard that there are some Filipinas that they want They want to be in a relationship with foreigners just because they want to have babies that looks like, foreigner as well. Pointy nose, tall height, like that. But that's only for some of Filipinas. I'm not generalizing them, okay? Okay. Is there anything that scares you about foreigners?
Cares. What do you mean by cares?
Is there anything that scares you?
Scares yung natatakot.
Mhm.
Um, I think about scam.
You think there are American men that are scammers?
Not all, but um mostly they are scam about their relationship, yung parang um um in ano kasi in American, they are having a divorce,
Oo.
easily having a divorce than here sa Philippines. Not common here that divorce. In American, I scared lang yung about in relationship in terms in divorce like that.
Oh, so you're scared that, for example, if you
If
are
you're
in a
having
relation, yes, if you're having a relationship with foreigner men, especially American, you're scared that one day he might divorce you, especially
even
abroad
yes.
in America, it's very common for them to divorce.
Mhm.
Okay, so that's what scares you the most. Okay. Okay. Very understandable, right? How about you, Be? What scares you about Americans?
Some of them is of their attitude. It- We, di ba, ano to? We are different attitude. We have sensitive,
Mhm.
then some of them very, because of their mood, they're, nag-iiba yung attitude nila.
Because of mood, their attitude changes,
Yeah.
right? Like that. Okay. Like what kind of attitude?
Very aggressive. Then, sometimes most of, scared is people pervert.
Oh, American perverts.
Yeah.
Where did you hear that from? That there are some American men that are perverts and they're also aggressive. Where did you heard these things from?
Mm, social media.
But
Yes.
do you ever met Americans like in your life or chatted with anyone on social media?
No, we have like Omigel.
You're using Omegle.
Yes.
How about you? Do you also use Omegle? No. So just
Sometimes.
you.
Then sometimes when we video call, after click they they showing us they showing private part.
Oh, they're showing their private parts. Oh, that's very sad. Oh my goodness. And what was your reaction? I'm just curious. What was your reaction?
We say
What?
shock.
Like how shocked? That
So
like
big.
what?
So big.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so big, you're shocked. So that's why. That's one thing that you're scared about them, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Never
Okay.
again.
Oh my, it's just wow.
Never again.
Never again. So you never use Omegle after that?
Yes, never.
I think she got traumatized.
Trauma.
How about you? Do you see yourself like her?
Yes.
Are you gonna run as well? Are you both singles or do you have boyfriends?
I'm single.
How long have you been single?
1 year.
A year now. Okay, and you?
I'm having a relationship.
Filipino man? Now I'm curious. Filipino man or American or foreigner?
Filipino.
Oh, you said just yeah. So since you are single, do you see yourself um marrying an American and starting a family?
Um, my answer is I don't know if for me kasi if God's will, it happened.
Oh,
If not God's will, it never happened.
it will never happen. But do you see yourself? Yes or no? Like, do you picture yourself marrying an American man and starting a family with him?
Um,
Yes or no?
if yes,
I think that's a yes. Let's just say yes. Because if it's no, she's gonna say no, right? She doesn't have to think of So it's a yes, definitely it's a yes.
oh, yes. If yes, I pray pa din kay God na if if I have a family, if I
If you will have a family with
have a
him,
family with them, um, I pray na um yung good family. Yeah,
you
good
pray for a
family.
good family.
Yes.
Okay.
And um yung may good relationship, and the most important is yung um the center of relationship is si God.
That's very nice. Okay, the center of the relationship is God. And also take note, she is scared of divorce. So hopefully that's yes. Yeah, so okay, praise God. Anyway, how old are you, Beth?
22 po.
22 and you are?
22.
Both are college students. What course are you taking?
Education, major in science.
And you?
And values education.
Values education. Okay. You are both graduating this school year, right?
Yes.
And they're both 22, and aside from that, we're also the same height. We are shrinking because of the weather, right? It's very hot. Oh my god. Yes, the same height, guys. For what? What is our height again?
For 11.
11. Yes, proud for 11. Okay, well, thank you so much. But thank you so much for having this interview with us. Hopefully, we earn your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, everyone.
Beautiful reflection